Good morning, children, and welcome to the class of English. Children, in this video, I'm going to explain you the chapter The Thief's Story from the book Footprints Without Feet. So let's begin. So, in this chapter, there are two characters Anil, who was a young writer of about 25 years old, and Hari, who was a thief of 15 years old. So Anil was living his life very carelessly. He was writing for the magazines and earning the money to run his life. One day Anil was watching the wrestling match and Hari best knew how to make unknown person a friend. As Hari was thief and he wanted to steal Anil. So he knew how to befriend a person. So he used an old formula to flatter the person. Hari stayed with Anil. Anil promised that he would teach him how to write and add numbers. He also told him and taught him how to cook tasty food. Daily, Hari Singh was going to buy daily needs and he used to steal one day and every day 1 rupee from the money which Anil used to give him to buy groceries. Anil knew this thing that Hari has been stealing, but he did not mind. Both were living together happily. So, the main character or the narrator of this story is the young boy who is 15 years old, named Hari Singh, and he is a thief. And the thief himself tells this story. The thief says that he was only 15, but he was a successful hand. Successful hand means he was a successful person, as he was an expert and experienced thief. He offered to work for a man named Anil and started living with him at his house. But his main purpose was to rob Anil. Anil shows full trust in the boy. He gives him the key of his room. He knows that the boy is making money in his daily purchases. It means as he was stealing 1 rupee per day, but he never gets angry. He teaches the boy how to write. One day, the thief sees Anil putting some currency notes under his mattress. He steals the money and runs away with it. He wants to catch a train and leave the town, but somehow he misses the train because he had guilt in his mind. He goes to a park and sits there on a bench. He feels a prick in his conscience, means he was conscience stricken that he had stolen a good person. He can't deceive a person who has been so good to him. And he sees in Anil the fulfillment of his dream because Hari wanted to learn how to read and write. So, a small time 15-year-old thief who calls himself Hari Singh befriends a struggling author Anil. Hari's purpose is to steal Anil's money. Anil is a good fellow who wants to teach Hari Singh how to read and write. Gradually, Anil develops trust in Hari Singh. But Hari Singh has been waiting for the right moment to make a killing by doing what he is best, that is, stealing. After stealing the money which Anil had earned by selling a book to a publisher, Hari Singh tries to run away forever. The money was around 600 rupees and it was in the form of 50 rupees, 12 notes of 50 rupees. And Hari Singh thought that with this money he could lead a life of a sheikh, Arabian sheikh, for around 2 weeks. But some inner voice stops him from doing so. He returns to Anil because he realizes that he wants to live a life of respect, as Anil was teaching him how to read and write. Anil does not show that he knew about the theft and accepts Hari Singh with open arms. Thus, a well-intentioned person tries to reform a teenager who had strayed from the correct path. Hari stayed with Anil. Anil promised him that he would teach him how to write and add numbers. He also taught him how to cook tasty food. Daily, Hari Singh was going to buy daily needs and had profit of 1 rupee daily. Anil knew it, but he did not mind. Both were living together happily. Hari Singh was a thief and he had stolen Anil's money. After the theft, he realized that he had robbed not only Anil but also himself of the chance of being literate and having a bright future. So his conscience pricked him to think that what all he could have got had he not done this thing. It means if he had not stolen the money, he could have got the chance and the bright chance to learn, to read and write, count numbers, and in this way, he could earn a lot, and that too with honesty. So, children, in this way, a nice and polite behavior of a person changed the life of an expert, an experienced thief, and that too, who was a teenager. So, children, that's all now in this video. Thank you for watching.